Today is Tuesday, September 26th, and we are at Ginger's Baking Co. in downtown Winter Garden, Florida. This is at 199 South Main Street. It's right on the corner of Smith and Main in this little apartment building with these little cute, like, boutique style apartments. And Maeve is clapping and dancing in her pumpkin dress. And this is just the soft opening. The grand opening for this place is October 7th. Looks like they're closed on Sundays and Mondays, open on Saturdays, and Tuesday through Friday. It's a swinging chair. We got a chocolate peanut butter whoopie pie. Pumpkin is the one Maeve is after. And snickerdoodle. They also had orange creamsicle and a vanilla with chocolate in the middle. I already tried the pumpkin and it's super yummy. You wanna try it? The snickerdoodle is even better than the pumpkin. Which one do you like the best?
Jenny like it.
What?
That one.
I also got an iced vanilla latte. Is it good?
Yeah.
This really is the soft opening because they don't even have like a menu or anything up, so I'm not exactly sure what to say for prices. We got 3 whoopie pies and an iced vanilla latte, and it was like $19, I think. These are really good though. They have different flavors daily, it looks like, posted on their Facebook page. I had lemon the other day. I'm sad I didn't come here that day to try that. There's literally like construction work going on right now, I think. That's how soft the opening is. They have a wall over in the corner, I saw on their Facebook page, with local artists. They sell or showcase some local artist stuff over there. They have a lot less than when we first got here. I sold a bunch of them. Ended up going back up and getting a couple more. We got another snickerdoodle and a chocolate one to take home for the boys after school. I think maybe just because it's been raining, or maybe they cleaned the sidewalk over here, but they normally have all the patio chairs and everything out. They also sell their whoopie pies at the downtown Winter Garden Farmers Market on Saturdays. And it sounded like they sell out, so get here early. I think it opens at 8 a.m. We will definitely come back once they've had their grand opening and everything. It'll be fun to see what all they have. Try some more stuff. I did hear her say that the whoopie pies are $4 each, and that they have like a drip coffee, but they also have cappuccinos and espresso and lattes. And my vanilla latte is really yummy. Say bye.
Bye.
Say see you on the next one.
See you next time.
Also, I saw on their Facebook page that they ship Whoopie pies. So if you want to get some and you're not local, then contact them.